Hi everybody. Well, today is the day we're going to put our tomato on the scale, and it has been a very fruitful season. I think we're going to have some good results here. My video does say grow tomatoes up to 2 pounds, so we're going to twist this off here. Right there, as you can see. Wow, an interesting development of the bottom. It really has a little bit of yellowing still. I could give it a few more days, but I decided let's just go ahead and put her on the scale and see what she weighs. So we're going to go nice and slow here and put it right on there. All right. So we've got this set up on, what do we have it on? Grams or ounces? Hopefully it's on ounces. So we're going to set the tomato on there. And there you go. 2 pounds, 3-1. Nice. Oh yeah, so proof of the pudding is in the eating, and we're going to slice one of these tomatoes too. Now, not this one in particular, but we will be slicing one that we have grown here in just a little bit and let you see what the meatiness is of these tomatoes. That's it for now. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Well, today you're going to see we've posted on this video series, and you can, in the description, you can see the link to other videos on how to grow gigantic tomatoes at 2 pounds or larger. Now this one is not quite there in size, but the one you saw earlier. And we just want you to have a look at these, how meaty these were. And so now I want you also to know, as you're looking back to how I grow these so large, you will go see that this is actually 7-part series. But go all the way back to the first one and see the key element to making them so large. And that would be removing suckers from your plants. So there you go, folks. This one was 1 pound, 3 ounces, but there you go. You can see how delicious those are. And then now, that concludes this. We hope that you will subscribe. We hope you'll give us a thumbs up too. And we appreciate your tuning in today. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.